A large open tank has two holes in the wall. One is a square hole of side L and at a depth y from the top, and the other is a circular hole of radius r at a depth 4y from the top. When the tank is completely filled with water, the quantity of water flowing out per second from both the holes are same, then r is equal to. So our aim is to write the value of r in terms of L. So first of all, just try to understand this question. Over here we are considering a container which consists of some amount of liquid, and we are making two holes at two different levels. So one open tank has two holes in the wall. One is a square hole of side L. So we are just considering one is a square hole of side let's say L and depth y. So this is at a distance y from here, and over here we are considering a square hole over here, and other one is a circular hole at a depth 4y. So we can just take it as another one is a circular hole at a distance 4y from here, from the free surface of liquid. When the tank is completely filled with water, the quantity of water flowing out per second from both the holes are same. So we can say that some amount of liquid is coming through this pipe with the velocity, let's say v1, and some amount of liquid is going to come out through this tube or this hole with the velocity, let's say, that is equal to v2. Now we know the equation for this velocity or reflex velocity is root of 2 into g into y. So over here you can write distance is given as nothing but, or depth is given as 4y, so it becomes 2 into g into 4y. Now we can say that as it is a square hole, its area, let's say it's A1, is going to be nothing but L square, and over here it is a circular hole of radius r, so its area, let's say A2, is going to be pi into r square. Now in question it is given that their volume flow rate is same. That means dV by dt in the first situation should be equal to dV by dt in the second situation. So dV by dt we can take it as A1 into V1 should be equal to this A2 into V2. So A1 we know that it is equal to L square, and V1 is nothing but root of 2 into g into y, and A2 is nothing but pi into r square, and Rm is to find out the value of r, and V2 is equal to nothing but a root of 2 into g into 4y. So we can say that this is L square into under root of 2 into g into y is equal to, we can take it as pi into r square into, if we are taking this 4 out of the root, it becomes 2 into root of 2 into g into y. So that this root of 2 into gy and this root 2 gy can be get cancelled. So the value of r square, we can write the value of r square over here is equal to L square divided by 2 pi. Or we can write the value of r is equal to under root of this, that is L into, or under root of 1 by 2 pi into L is a value of r.